Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing one another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, while we await the date from the UK Privy Council viewers and subscribers to set Vybz Kartel and the co-accused free, viewers and subscribers, in the minds of the public, a larger trial is simultaneously taking place, and the defendant is none other than the justice system itself, viewers and subscribers, who is charged with none other than inefficiency, corruption, and of course, prejudice, based on all that we have seen taking place in Vybz Kartel's case in particular, viewers and subscribers. And some people are still of the thought that why we feel that Vybz Kartel was unfairly treated, and why we think it is tied to dancehall music itself, and the fact that Vybz Kartel is one of our most prolific dancehall artists, and that the subject matter is what is at the root of the problem. If Vybz Kartel was not a prominent artist, do you think the system would care? No, it is because he has accomplished more than we can point to another artist and say they have accomplished that thus far. Now, for the disenfranchised majority viewers and subscribers who are not reading these quote-unquote opinion columns, majority of our social commentary arrives via dancehall music, which speaks very eloquently in our dominant language of patois. Now, some would even say prison is just a way station on the road to immortality and a house in the hills when we are speaking of dancehall artists, because freedom is a must. This is just another chapter in Vybz Kartel's biography, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. Now, our dancehall artists speak powerfully and poetically for the people after accomplishing so much and moving out of the garrison. Viewers and subscribers, I suspect, and for the majority of the public, that the dancehall music and the dancehall artists who choose to speak about the people that they have quote-unquote left behind without actually leaving them behind, viewers and subscribers. Really and truly, in this day and age, the system's plan has failed, and the arrest of Vybz Kartel has thus made him a martyr for the entire cause, viewers and subscribers, because we have seen that the attempts by the powers that be is to muzzle the voice, a voice validated by millions, viewers and subscribers, millions of individuals across the world. Now, the subject matter that dancehall artists choose to speak of, that have gotten the powers that be in a frenzy, it's not the lyrical content about ladies dancing, enjoying themselves and the G's and the block. It's the songs that touch social commentary, talk about the issues of which Vybz Kartel has never been scared to address. One of the only dancehall artists who, while maintaining a lucrative dancehall career, putting out music that people can just feel good and enjoy, still took the time out to put gems in the music to educate the masses, to make the masses aware of situations taking place. A song with the system hate from it release, a emergency from the song they drop and release, no party no like it. One of the only songs where people say, yo, the powers that be, that is. See how that song ain't. The subject matter, what the artists are talking about, it's too real. And while it was tasked to majority of the reggae artists them with a quote-unquote bona fire in the 80s, 70s, maybe still in the early 90s. It is now the dancehall artists who are talking about situations faced by people in the inner city. And while they might create it or put it out in a very entertaining manner, it is still social commentary based on people who are facing these situations. Artists are not perpetuating or perpetuating any lifestyle crime, but are documenting events that are taking place in the inner city. Things that don't make come on news. Things that you wouldn't know take place unless you heard it in a song. For the people in North America, for the people in Canada, for the people in Europe who have never visited the island, it's all them know what his life is like here, quote unquote. While still putting out the music, celebrating the landscape or cuisine. Of course, the people. Dancehall artists, viewers and subscribers are being demonized. And Vybz Kartel is that artist where them are used for set that example. By persecuting the artists, viewers and subscribers. I've never said it. From the music, because the teacher long before being incarcerated was being persecuted just for the music he put out. Blatantly. Them try for banning music. Them try for say must sing the music where I do this, the music where I cast that. Like he was the only artist singing about certain specific subject matter. When we talk about the ladies, everybody have them raunchy songs for the ladies. Yes, Vybz Kartel, when they put out theme songs, they are the best. We will say that and we will take that win. But at the end of the day, and a Vybz Kartel alone tell girls to bend over and shake. Soca, you ever listen to a soca track? You ever listen to a turn it around and push it back in type of track from soca? What them are trying to say? And these songs are not bleeped. These songs, the world, the lyrical content is played on radio, mainstream. The teacher has been persecuted long before being put behind the bars. That's just what them feel like say, alright, this will be a way to muzzle the vice. Him now can't hit the public no more. They now go hear him songs and they failed miserably, viewers and subscribers, as some would say, making Vybz Kartel the martyr for the dancehall genre itself. Truth and in fact. But freedom is a must. Freedom is definitely a must, viewers and subscribers. And remember, all that has taken place will be documented and presented to, or has been, as a matter of fact, because the transcripts have already been typed up. And just the exhibit of them refused for release we are waiting on right now. And then the decision from the Privy Council for tell you when the prison are going to free the teacher, when the gates will be opened. The situation I feel like say, yo, most Jamaicans were not privy to this information before the teacher case hit the headlines. Truth be told, it is surprised to know the thousands of cases before the courts right now where the backlog upon you. I wonder how the district, the prosecution, the office, the entire office find so much time to focus on one individual when there are so much thousands of cases that them supposed to deal with in a very speedily manner so people can get back to them life. As situations can be remedied so that at least the backlog can be removed. Why for the backlog too? That is why we can point clearly, viewers and subscribers, to the actions of the powers that be and point to the fact that this is clear corruption. The justice system itself and the powers that be, from clearly the judges to the prosecution themselves, viewers and subscribers. Clear prejudice, clear inefficiency, just to the amount of cases not dealt with alone, and to the years now with them dead. People being remanded for years and years at a time. This is not normal. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the you drop a like on the blog from a like page. Here the share icon is also in close proximity. Bust a share on the blog, tell a friend, tell them sister, them brother, them for check out channel, check out the reasoning. Comment section open 24/7, never locked yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Yeah, man, move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. And yes, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and yes, prosper until we reason again. And for those who are wonder, yes, the special is still up and running. Contact the IG page